Why does your scanner show the P2084 engine code? What does it mean? P2084 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit range or performance bank 1 sensor 2. This engine code indicates that this code is triggered when the engine's computer detects that the camshaft timing is not changing as commanded or is fixed in a certain position, indicating a problem with the VVT system. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EGT sensor, wiring and connector issues, exhaust system leaks, PCM software. Other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford F Super Duty vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.